You ever just think, what's going to be great content for YouTube, and decide to get drunk with your friend, Shannon? Yeah! And we're gonna bake a cake. And it's like the best fucking cake you've ever made in your life.
Alright, which one are we doing? Chocolate or strawberry?
Wait, let's ask Instagram.
Like Jesus, I resurrected.
Macarena.
Oh!
Chocolate! Fun part about this is we don't have eggs, so it's experimental.
Preheat oven.
Where's the oven?
Yeah. Okay.
Done! It comes with choc chips.
We can mix up.
Water. We'll add a bit of milk in too, just in case.
I really think you need to mix that.
We should add some condensed milk.
That seems like a good enough.
Let's add some condensed milk too, just because we don't have eggs.
Ooh, why is it? This went off in 2016.
Yuck. You can add some coconut milk. Getting a bit creative. What does coconut milk taste like?
Nasty.
Why does it taste like fart?
That was way too much.
I feel like we need some sugar in it, or some salt. Oh no, it's a hat! It's a hat! Thanks! Oh my god. I feel like a robot in this hat.
Can I have the pen?
Wait, you ready? Oh, Shannon, I'm a lot drunker than I thought I was. Oh wow, okay.
Should we put oats in it?
Why not?
We don't have any oats.
Do you have coconut?
I sure do.
Oh my god, let's sprinkle some coconut in it! Experimenting is fun!
I am not very good.
Why is this such an effort? So we'll be back in an hour. Set timer for an hour. Oh, so here's the thing, I'm not sure whether we're more drunk or tired or both.
I'm still raw.
Yuck. My friends is
Drunk baking.
see you next time. Why is there cat hair on it?
Where?